Hello everybody, my name is Jane. Welcome to my channel. Today we're making steamed low-calorie fish. Check out the ingredients. Okay, to start it off, we're gonna prepare the pepper, the spring onion, the garlic, and the white onion, and blend them. And we're going to add some spices too, and then blend it all together. It's for 500 grams of fish, and in this one we're using sea bass. So we add there the spices, mixed spices, some fish seasoning. Anyway, you can use whichever spices you like, anything with flavor. Some green chilies do go well, but we didn't put it here. Gonna add some chilies. And put some oil on it instead of water, because we're going to steam it in the oven, so we don't want it to have too much water. Cover it and then blend it until smooth. Okay, once the blending is done, we're just gonna get our fish and start the marinade. So here's the 500 grams of fish, chopped up into chunks. I'm gonna pour only half the mixture into the fish, and then mix it well and let it marinate for about 2 hours. Right, so while the fish is still marinating and almost ready, we're just gonna start preparing the potatoes. I'm gonna cut thin slices. I cannot literally just like less than a centimeter, I would say. Yeah, and you're gonna cut them into thin slices, which you're going to layer down at the bottom of the pan. Yeah, so for this 500 grams of fish, we used only 2 potatoes. Okay, now prepare your oven plate. Gonna put some oil on it. Spread it very well to avoid sticking. Okay, now we're gonna put the potatoes and line them up flat on the tin. Yeah, spread it out. Make sure it's all fully covered at the bottom. Gonna add the rest of the blended spices on top of the potatoes. You have spinach as well, by the way. Washed and drained so it's still dry when you put it on there. Yeah, so now I will spread the spinach. I would say it is about 1 bag. So, but in the end it's gonna be like it was nothing anyway, so use as much spinach as you can. We add down the fish now, spread it out evenly, not on top of each other. Yep, make sure to have all the rest of your spice in there too. Yeah, and cover with spinach again. If you have any remaining blend, you can still add it there on top of the spinach so that your flavor can be in layers also. We added this long pepper. It's not spicy though, but yeah, you can add chilies instead, red chilies, but it's just to make it nice, looking nice, but don't see any much effect on it. Okay, our tray looks beautiful. It's a low calorie fish. Right now everything is ready for the oven, so just cover with the foil and then put it in the oven 180 degrees for about 40 minutes and let it steam. Yay, our fish is ready now. Enjoy. Thank you. Subscribe.